Hi, have you ever struggled on finding ways to edit your photos and the photos that you have edited somehow just feels boring? Don't worry, today I'm gonna guide you on how you can install Lightroom presets on your phone with just a few simple steps.
Great Scott!
Hi, Gary here. Welcome back to another tutorial of my channel. I've posted few preset tutorial videos and I've also provided the download link for the presets for free. If you haven't grabbed it, make sure you grab it. Cause it's free. My uncle Gomi once told me that if it's free, just take it first, think later. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can install presets in your Lightroom Mobile. Once it's installed, you can basically just copy and then paste it for all the photos that you think are suitable for the presets. No matter what phone you are using, just go to my previous video and click on the download link. It will bring you to the Dropbox website. Click on continue to website and now click on the three dots and click on direct download. If you are using iPhone, you need to click download and then click on open in. Scroll down until you find save to files. Click on that and then choose the folder that you want to save the preset in. Next, go to Lightroom Mobile. On the Library tab, go ahead and click on the plus icon and then create a folder called Lightroom Presets. Now click on Add Photos and then choose from Files and click on the image that you have downloaded. And the installation part is done. Now click on the three dots and you see these copy settings. Click on Copy Settings, click on OK, and then go to the picture that you want to edit and then click on the three dots again and this time choose Paste Settings. It's simple as that. A small tip here. You can adjust the exposure, contrast, highlights and shadows to your liking, as not all pictures can use the same preset because they are not taken under the same environment. That is all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Go get your free preset from the link in the description below. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!